Hello, everyone. Alright, we're going back to Subnautica. So I bet when I upload this video, Undertale Part 3 has already came out. But the funny part is that I already uploaded this. I'm uploading this before Undertale Part 3. I just really like this game. I just want to go back to Undertale again. I don't want to stick on this game forever. Alright. Obviously, I really like Undertale as well. I literally named my account like after Undertale and Roblox. Even though Roblox is like my 4th favorite game. Alright, so what should we do? So I am gonna have to get a beacon so I remember where it is. 'Cause yeah. Once I find it, I don't want to lose it again, bro. Well, I don't want to find the sunbeam one though, cause I only need the gun room thingy for 2 things. To turn off that at the end of the game when you're building your rocket, it asks you to turn off the quarantine thingy, whatever it's called. And the quarantine thingy is inside of there, which you need like 3 or 2 purple tablets. The next one is that what was it? The next one is obviously the sunbeam. When the sunbeam tries to help you and then it just shoots it down. I'm trying to find the room with like the moon pool. I mean the island with the moon pool. Even though the moon pool, you can find those fragments in the ocean floor. On the ocean floor, you can find it on there. I also want to look on there for multi-purpose room. So I have the scanner room, obviously. So if I build a base, then I might have to stick with that for a little bit. I remember last time when I had all mobile vehicle bay fragments, I kind of missed a modification fragment thingy. So modification station. Reason why you really need that is because you can get a thermal blade, ultra high capacity tank. You have to get the PDA for the ultra thingy first though, right? And it's at Life Pod 19, which is cool. I'm pretty sure after Life Pod 19, the sunbeam mission is there, right? How about we just do Life Pod 19 mission and then, cause I'm pretty sure there might. I got another radio thingy. Oh shoot. Alright, hold on. Alright. I'm pretty sure I want this episode to be longer than the other ones. Probably one of my longest videos is probably going to be Undertale Part 2 for a little bit. But yeah. I wonder if this is a sunbeam. If it is, then we're going there. Or, no, we go to Life Pod 19 first, obviously. And then we go to the sunbeam because takes it. You have to wait like 30 minutes for the sunbeam to arrive. So yeah, it will. So I'm pretty sure we'll be able to get to life pod 19 before that. I just need to go ahead and craft a beacon so I can put it on the island. I don't think there's any moon pool fragments on there. I don't know. I honestly don't know that much about the gun thing. All I know is that there's caves and purple tablets and a big, gigantic gun that looked like an alien. That's an alien base as well. Okay, so I have the copper and titanium. So now we can go ahead and craft a beacon, and I am not gonna use it for a little bit until the sunbeam. So let's hope that this is the sunbeam. Yep, it is. Oh, 40 minutes? Damn. Alright, we need to do this quick, because if we miss this, then nothing really will happen. We won't see it explode, like the sunbeam explode. But we will kind of not see the ship explode, and that would be something cool to see. Don't worry, guys, you don't have to wait the whole 30 minutes with me. Well, like, I'll just go ahead and scan some stuff, and then take some stuff and like that, and then I'll just I'll just pause the video whenever we're trying to wait, like whenever we're waiting and doing nothing, because that would be boring if I just didn't pause the video. Oh, life pod 19's in the dunes, guys. This isn't good at all. Let's hope that we don't run into a reaper. I don't like reapers that much. They may be. Oh God. I have to go one. Are you kidding me, bruh? How do you expect me to do that?
Warning. Maximum depth reached. Hull damage imminent.
So you're telling me I have to go 193 meters down. My Seamoth is gonna if I have to bring my Seamoth down there, or I'm gonna drown and I'm gonna be far away from my Seamoth. I don't know how to do this. Oh God, oh God, I did not mean to press the joystick. I don't know how to do this, but we're wasting time.
Oxygen efficiency greatly decreased.
Yeah, it got greatly decreased, so how am I supposed to make it here in time? Wait, how do you get to it? Wait, how do you get to it? Wait, I don't know how to get to it. Well, this is great. Not only will I probably drown, I don't even know how to get to it. I think you go down in one of the crack thingies. That's what I know. Like the ravines. Oh! I have to go down here, this part. Okay, this is way better. I am already like a lot more hoping to get there. Alright, we just need the database and then the PDA, and then we're gone. PDA, where's the database? Here it is. Here. Okay, go. We don't need anything here. How about we're just gonna take 2 rubies for aerogel. Ooh, gel sack. Don't mind if I do. Lithium, that's important. Alright, we're definitely going back down here soon, later. You know what? Wait, hold on. Oh god. Ah! What's biting me? Ah! Get off! Jeez, what? That scared me way too much.
Oxygen.
I heard a warper. Okay. Now that the beacon's there. Diamond. Wait, no, hold on. Shale. Shale. Mine. Shale. Shale gel. Shale gel. Wait, hold on. I'm just gonna do shale arrow. I don't know how to spell aerogel. Holy crap. Shale gel ruby mine. I'm just gonna name it that. Cause, yeah. Oh god, I put 2 L's in gel. It's 1 L. Huh, whatever. I don't really care. The reason why I did that is because it actually doesn't really matter. Now, I only need copper and titanium left. It's not that hard to get. Why does it look like my life pod is underground, but it's not? Okay, well, we got lucky there, because... Wait, was this the dunes? Those... That looked, like, really familiar when we found the Reaper. Yeah, I don't know. We definitely do need to repair this. And we definitely do need a moon pool, because look at our battery. I'm not going to rely on power cells, man. Also, I definitely am not just... I'm definitely not gonna... Like, I definitely need my sea glide, that's for sure. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and get 2 copper, because I already have titanium somewhere. I'm sorry that I don't have a reinforced dive suit, damn. I am actually kind of getting mad. Why, like, here, listen. Whenever I don't need limestone, whenever I need limestone, I don't find it ever. Whenever I do need whenever I don't need limestone, I never find it. Where is it? Like, isn't there supposed to be groups of limestone just standing there? This is something that I don't like about this game. Where's the goddamn copper? Nah, where's the limestone, bruh? I need 2 copper.
30 seconds.
Okay, 1 copper. 1 more copper. I need a battery for my sea glide and a beacon. At least when we get to the sunbeam, we won't have to wait that long. What the hell? Where is it? Bro, I'm actually, I just heard explosive diarrhea. Bro, I'm actually getting mad. limestones like just randomly just despawn when I'm looking for them, I swear to God. Like, it's more harder to find like limestone than probably like sandstone, bro. Finally. Oh my God, bro. This? Yes. Okay, I'm definitely mining the copper. Or titanium. Copper. Titanium. Give me gold. Lead. Give me copper, yay. Actually, no, I'm gonna take that lead. That's something important for the multi-purpose room. Bro, my Seamoth is gonna get destroyed soon. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know what I was doing there. I was trying to find where I place the power cells, but I couldn't find them. Battery. Yeah, we can already craft an arrow gel. I think 2 of them, no, 1. I only found 1 gel sack. Alright, well, I'm definitely keeping these because I don't want these to go away. Put these both in there. Oh, hold on. Okay, never mind. Battery. I don't know why, but you can actually craft a power cell with both dead batteries and it'll give you max charge. So, I'm gonna keep dead battery, like 2 dead batteries for, yeah. Cause see, it doesn't say full battery or anything, it just says battery and silicone rubber. So yay. I definitely do need a stasis rifle and a laser cutter. We don't have enough, we don't have even enough blueprints for stasis though. We don't even have found any. I am having a stroke, I am. 2 diamonds, battery, titanium, cave sulfur. I don't even have 2 diamonds because it gave me lithium instead of that. Okay, I definitely this lithium to go to waste though. Okay, I'm definitely repairing this as well. Give me my knife back, man. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go to the sunbeam now. And listen. You're gonna sit here and you are going to see me go there, okay? You're not gonna sit there and watch me and like just when I'm sitting there and waiting for it, but you're gonna sit there and watch me go here, cause there's reapers, and I want to get that on video cause it's cool. So yeah. Hopefully we run into a reaper, cause that would be cool. I hear a Reaper. I hear a radio signal. I'm just kidding, I don't hear it, I just saw it. 'Cause it's obvious. Why is there a warper right there? It's kind of goofy, not gonna lie, man. Yay, we're here.
No match is found in database performing structural analysis. Unknown language. Attempting translation.
Achievement, ancient technologies. Find the enforcement platform. I need the ion or eon cube, whatever it's called, for the Sea Emperor, so we need to keep that. Also, we do need like 4 or 2 for like something else. Oh yeah, eon batteries for a blue tablet, right? Is that how, what? I think. Isn't it an eon power cell and eon power cell? Isn't it an eon power cell and like a diamond, right? I'm pretty sure it is. And we need 2 blue tablets. How do I get up there, bruh? Open up. Or not. Well, I can't because there's a giant blockade. A giant blockade, bruh. I can't go through. I can't even go anywhere. Doesn't even allow me. Only lets me go back this way and forwards. Does it like change when the sunbeam arrives? Huh. Either I completely forgot or I am right and it does do that. Well, time to place the beacon down. Huh. I should have named that gun, but I just named it Island. Why is there no Reaper? I don't see it. Where's the goddamn Reaper, man? I'm going back down. Oh, there's a bone shark. I want to find a Reaper. I don't want to hear one, I want to see one.
Oxygen efficiency decreased.
Okay, I guess I'm going back up. There's the ancient floaters over there. Stay away from me. I have a knife. Shing, shing, shing. Shing, shing, shing. Ha ha ha. I'm powerful. Let's go explode. Explore. I almost said explode the island. Let's go explore the island now. I also kind of want to explode this island as well. Hey, buddy, but stay away from me. How much health do they have? Oh, 3. Damn! Lithium. Where'd it go? Oh, it disappeared. It actually just disappeared on me. And I don't even have a flashlight. Why would I not? I'll just use this one. It actually, oh, there it is. It was just rolling around. A water cave. What the hell? That's not how gravity works. I'm suing this game. I'm just kidding, bro. I hear something that is loud. No! Wait. Nah, that's actually annoying. My video corrupted, man. Nah, that's actually annoying. Well, basically I went into this cave, found this, got 2 lithium and 2 diamonds, and a gold. That's basically only what happened. And the sunbeam's at 18% now. Well, 18 minutes. Oh. This is basically how I found the diamonds. The lithium was just standing there on the wall. Still. And the gold is obviously from shale crops. So now I got 2 diamonds. So, woohoo! I realized, okay, hopefully that clip wasn't echoey. I really hope that, because one of the settings was something that I don't usually use. So I'm hoping that it wasn't doing that. Basically, it was recording my mic, probably, and me in real life. So hopefully it wasn't echoey. I'm just gonna pray. You know what? I'm gonna check. This is why I don't like doing this, man. Like, now it's all like freaking. Oh my god, bruh. Well, let's just say that I have to kind of like I'm not gonna restart it, obviously, but it will take a little bit longer to upload. Actually, never mind. Yeah, this sucks when it does this. Either it corrupts or there's a big ass echo because I forgot to switch the setting off. Does that mean I have to sit there for does that mean I have to sit there for 32 minutes doing nothing? Yeah, I do. Bruh. Okay, well, I'll just record this again and upload it when I'm done. Okay. Now, we just need to wait for the sunbeam to arrive. I'm just gonna scan a lot of things inside of here. 'Cause why not? How? Oh, 34 minutes, okay. When is this thing gonna open? I know this opens, bro. Open. Alright, well. Sunbeam will arrive in 60 minutes, and I had no luck finding anything here. Which is annoying. I just wanted to find a moon pool or a multi-purpose room, bruh. I found none of those. Hopefully I find at least some when I go up the mountain a little bit. How do I climb this apparently exactly? I don't know how I'm gonna climb this. Already explored that cave. I think this is kind of useless. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wait for the sunbeam to arrive. Okay. 2 more minutes until the sunbeam arrives. Okay. Well, I know where you can also find a multi-purpose room again, and the other one. There's one multi-purpose room in Jelly Shroom Caves, and one of the moon pools is at Life Pod 19. Well, near life pod 19. Oh, I hear it. Uh-oh. Turning into a gun.
Survivor, we see you. Man, I don't know how you held out down there. We broke an atmosphere, and we're descending towards the landing site. Is that a building down there? What do you mean you can't identify?
Where is he? Where? Oh, there he is.
Hold on. No turning back now. Positions, everyone. Touching down in 10, 9, 8.
7, 6, 5,
It's coming from
4, 3, 2,
Change course.
1.
Set thrusters to full.
Uh-oh. Huh. Alright. Let's go inside of them now. Damn, it's loud. Okay, can I pass now? Bruh. Where do I go? I don't know where to go. Oh! I'm dumb.
Unknown language. Attempting translation.
Whee! Finally. Pew!
Scans indicate a facility control room lies beyond this doorway.
Alright, here's the quarantine device. Okay, we have 3 ion cubes. Well, I guess it's time to go home. Don't know what to do next, but I did get a radio message. Isn't it that, like, message? I'm pretty sure the next message is just the gibberish thingy. It's down here. Yeah, this is the area that we were looking for. Here it is. This can go 200 meters down, so hopefully this reaches good enough.
Warning, maximum depth reached. Hull damage imminent.
Oxygen efficiency decreased. Passing 200 meters. Oxygen efficiency greatly decreased.
Oh god, I think that guy saw me. Oh god, that guy definitely saw me. Okay, I'm just gonna search on my Seamoth for the thingy. Trying to stay above 200 meters. Wait, that's like impossible, actually.
Warning, maximum
I can't
depth
even.
reached. Hull damage imminent.
I don't know how to do this. This is like impossible. Hold on, I'm gonna save. So in case if I die, I can just go back to that save. Okay. Hopefully I find it this time. I don't know how deep I have to go to find this.
Signal location uploaded to PDA. Integrating new PDA data. Integrating new PDA data.
Propose this. Oh, that. Okay, it's over there. It's over there. It tells me. No! I'm gonna die. Go away, crab squid.
Oxygen.
Yes! That was close. Okay, whatever it's called, proposed habitat is over here. Hold on.
Warning, maximum depth reached. Hull damage imminent.
Okay, I'm just gonna park it right here. No!
Passing 200 meters. Oxygen efficiency greatly decreased.
You kidding me? Bro, are you actually kidding me? Do I get arrow if I go in there? Obviously not. What am I thinking? I'm gonna die before I I get to scan this.
30 seconds.
Can I go through this?
Blueprint acquired.
I'm dead. I am actually dead.
Oxygen.
I thought Bro, it said I could get an achievement from there. It said I got it. I could. Oh my god, bruh. I have to pick up the PDA, obviously. Great. Not only my Seamoth is destroyed, I didn't even get my thing. And the crazy part is that it was kind of all my fault. If I just left, oh my god. Of course. Oh my god. What the hell was that, man? Bro, I'm bored as hell now. Pouch. One pouch. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Well, as you clearly saw, my Seamoth exploded because I was smashing it into the ceiling, because if it went one meter down, then it would explode from the damage. And that is all definitely my fault, because I did that. So yeah, kind of mad, but not that much mad. Not that mad, because it was my fault. So yeah. This still makes me mad though. Like real mad, man. Like, it's easy to get, but it's a waste of my time.